Hello guys, how are you? I'll be doing good, I'll be doing good. So yeah, we're back on the chart again. I know it's been a long time since I've last uploaded a smart money video. Sorry about that. We've been busy sorting out some other issues. But yeah, that's done. We're back on the chart, we're back on the chart. There's no sleeping this time. December is near, so we gotta get that back. As you can see, I got odd USD on my chart. Yesterday, I caught a beautiful trade on odd USD. So I want to do a trade recap on the trade that I took yesterday. As you can see here on my screen, I got odd USD. For this analysis, I only used the 1 hour time frame, only used the 1 hour time frame only. I didn't combine 2 time frames or maybe 3 time frames. I only used this 1 hour time frame alone. This was my thinking process while taking this trade. Sorry about the ad. Sorry about the ad. So this was my thinking process on this trade that I took, guys. So as you can see here on the chart, guys, the first thing we must look for is the trend, guys. We must look for a trend, whether the market is going up or going down. So first of all, as you can see here, this is a clear downtrend, guys. The market is printing lower lows and lower highs, so this is a clear downtrend. Even someone that's new to forex trading can see that this market is trending downwards. So as you can see here, this is a downtrend because we've been breaking lower lows. We've been breaking lower lows. This is a break of structure here. This is a break of structure here. And after marking this break of structure here, I also marked this. I also saw this as a break of structure here. This is also a break of structure here. And this is our last break of structure in the market, guys. So after marking the last break of structure in the market, guys, the second thing that I did was marking my ranging point, which is I marked this high here and also marked this low down below here, guys. Okay, let me do this here. This is a break of structure here. The second thing that I did was to identify my order blocks, guys. So this is an order block here, and this is also an order block here, and also this above here is an order block. We call this an extreme order block above here, guys. This is an extreme order block here. Okay, let me fix my OP here. Okay, guys, so after marking my order blocks, guys, the market was around here. The market was around this high here, this point here. When I marked my order blocks, guys, was around here when I marked my order blocks. So I deleted this order block since this order block was already mitigated. Let me do this here. As you can see, this order block was already mitigated. The market came here, and then after coming to this order block, it tapped to this order block and then pushed to the downside. It again took off to the upside. It took all these traders that got involved in this order block out, guys. So I deleted this order block since it was already mitigated. So after deleting that order block, guys, so as you can see, we only have 2 order blocks left. As you can see, we have only 2 order blocks left. So as you can see, this order block above here, this extreme order block here, let me fix this here, this horizontal line, this order block here, guys, I decided to delete this order block here above here because this order block is already mitigated, and as you can see, there's no imbalance, and there's no imbalance here in this order block, guys. all these gaps here in these candles have been already filled, so there's no imbalance in this order block, and it is already mitigated because you can see the next candle after this order block, it came to this order block and tapped to this order block and then pushed to the downside, and then the third candle also came to this order block again and then pushed to the downside, guys. And also the fourth candle, it also tapped in a little bit this order block and then also pushed to the downside. So that's why I decided to delete this order block. It was already mitigated and there was no imbalance below this order block also, guys. So the only order block left was this one here. As you can see, this order block was not mitigated, guys. I deleted all those order blocks and left this one because this was the only unmitigated order block that we have here. So I marked this as my OP, guys. As you can see, we also have an imbalance here, guys. As you can see, we have an imbalance below this order block. Let me do this here. This is an imbalance, guys. This is what we look for in our order blocks. Our order blocks must have imbalance right below them or maybe above them. We must have an imbalance before the order block. This was my second confluence that there was an imbalance here, and my first confluence was that this order block was not mitigated, and below was my second confirmation that we have an imbalance. So that's why I decided to only take this order block only. So after marking my imbalance here, I saw this beautiful Falcon pattern. For my strategy, most of the time I use SMC combined with Falcon patterns as my confluence. The Falcon patterns give me where I should enter in the market. So most of the time I use Falcon patterns combined with SMC. I don't use SMC only most of the time. I only use SMC combined with Falcon patterns. So I saw this as my first touch. This was my second touch here. And I was anticipating for a third touch here. So let me do this here. I mark this trend line below. This was the first touch, second touch, and when I got this setup, the market was around here. So I decided to put a sell limit here. I opened 5 positions on this trade. I'll post a screenshot to show you that I'm not lying. I did enter this trade yesterday. When I woke up this morning, I found that price already hit my TP. So, but I didn't put I didn't set any TP, so I closed my trades manually. I'm already out in this trade. So yeah, I was anticipating for a third touch, so I decided to put my sell limit here. So as you can see, the market, it pushed up, Forgive me, I don't have the replay button. My account expired, I think, early this year, so I don't have the replay button. But for the sake of this video, let's continue. So I was anticipating for a third touch here. When price was around here, I was already in, guys. I was already in here. Boom. And my stop loss was a little bit above this high. I think it was 19 pips stop loss. 19 pips stop loss, and my TP was this low down below here. My TP was this low down below here. So price came and gave me the third touch. After giving me the third touch, I was already in. It played a little bit in my order block. And then took off to the downside. It didn't even make a pullback. Price just took off to the downside. It melted down to the downside and hit my TP, I think, in about 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. It took 4 candles to hit my TP from this order block to this low here. So yeah, I was already out when price came here to this low. I was already out. So I hope you took some valuable lessons in this video. This was a beautiful trade. Last week I took, I think, 3 trades and I lost 3 trades last week. But with this trade alone, I'm up by 2%. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when we post videos, you'll be notified immediately. See you next time. Aware.